It started raining while I was riding my mountain bike up the hill to this court. I could hardly finish my manuals when the ground became so wet that also my grip tapes got soaked with water, so I had to stop before damaging my skateboard. My wrists are the first parts of my body that start to become stiff and cold. I checked my grip tape many times because I realized that this small spot here was dry, even though it was raining pretty heavy. And I was lucky enough, to keep this spot dry, or nature kept it dry for me. And I checked my grip tape many times, because I was thinking maybe I shouldn't go home after doing some push-ups and leg raises, and maybe I could do some tricks here. This small corner wasn't as dry as this. The rain was falling a bit on my head and on the concrete, but I started practicing switch shove-its, and after that I decided to do my regular shove-its, fakey shove-its, and then I realized that this is a lot of space, even for a beginner like me. I didn't want to go home because it was a hard job, to ride my mountain bike up to my court. So except for a few tricks that need much more space, I could do every trick that I decided to practice today. So it was a very good decision to come up, and a very good decision not to get scared of the rain and go home. Of course, there are weathers much more worse like this, when this small corner also gets wet, but I was lucky enough today to be able to skate at my favorite